All right, so coming up next, Mookie and I are making pizza. So today, I just did a little pizza on the barbecue. I put the pizza stone on the barbecue and did it on there to see how I did it. I made a strawberry margarita. I'll put the ingredients up on the screen. So I used a half cup of fresh or frozen strawberries. I actually did the frozen today. Half ounce of tequila, a half ounce of Cointreau, a full ounce of Stoli strawberry vodka, and 2 ounces of sweet and sour mix. I poured the ingredients into a blender with ice and blended until smooth, and then I poured it into a margarita glass. The bartender's guide says to rim it with sugar, but I am sweet enough, and then I garnished with some fresh strawberries. All right, check out my pizza. I got some nice char on there. Make sure you hit that notification bell. This is Chappie saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way.